let us start today's class. Area between the curves. Area between the curves. Suppose you have a diagram. Let me explain you what is area between the curves. Suppose you have a function like this. Okay, you have a function like this, and another function is like this. And just let us consider like you have one function f of x, and you have another function g of x. See here, in between two lines, let us take one line is x is equal to a, and let us take another line is x is equal to b. In between these two lines, I have to find area between the curves. So what I want to say here, you have this is a graph f of x, another graph g of x. One graph is under of another graph. Okay. Then the area between the curves means this area between the curves means this part. If they want to ask you to find this part, this is the part area between the curves. So you want to find the area between these curves, correct? If you want to find this area between the curves, how you will find? That is the question mark. Area between these two curves is what? That is, you need to understand it. So area between the two curves, if you want to find, one simple logic I want to say is, see here, from this is x is equal to a, this is x is equal to b, correct? This is x is equal to a, this is x is equal to b. Then above area means f of x area. Area of f of x will be what? The area of f of x will be this total. This total will be area of f of x. Means from this curve to down to the x-axis. This is the f of x area. And what is the area of g of x with x-axis? This area, which is I not shaded. This is the area. This area is what? This area is above. See here, f of x area is started from here and come to x-axis. F of x area is here to this one. F of x area is here to this one. G of x area is here to this one. Then area between the curves will be f of x minus g of x. Means area between the curve. This area, if I want to find the area of this area, then what I do here, I can draw a strip here. Now this is the dx strip. What we do here, area between the curves is equal to area between curves. Area between the curve is equal to, this is equal to above area minus below area. Above area is what? Area from A to where here? A to B. It is from A to B. This is A, this is B. This is A to B. Area A to B. F of x means above curve function f of x minus below is g of x. Above minus below will give you area between the curve. Above area minus this below area will give you area between the curves. Now I have to find area between the curves means what we do here, integration a to b, upper area minus lower area. What we say here, upper area minus upper curve minus lower curve. So this is what we have to use. So upper curve minus lower curve will give you area between the curves. Area between the curve. Okay. Now suppose you have a graph. Let us consider a graph f of x is like this. G of x is like this. Two graphs are there, and there is one line. This is y is equal to a. Okay. This is y is equal to a, and this is y is equal to b. This is y is equal to b. Two lines are there, and I have to find area between these two curves. One curve name is f of x, another curve name is g of x. One curve is f of x, one curve is g of x. So I want to find what is the area between these two curves. Means this area is asking to find what is the area between these two curves. What is the area between these two curves? I have to find area between these two curves. How to find here? Area, this area we will find what? See here, by y-axis. If I draw a strip here, this is the dy strip, this is dy strip. This area, we will see here, g of x area where to where? From here to this y-axis. G of x area is what? From here to, between A to B, this here to here is the g of x area. are horizontal, these are vertical. So we can write one is g of y, one is f of y. Okay, one is g of y and another one is f of y. So what we write here, g of y, that area, minus f of y, this area, into, this is into what here, into I have to write what, d1, into dy, I can write into d1. So in this way what I am going to get is a right curve, this is right side curve, this is left side curve. So right side curve area minus left side curve area into dy. So this is what we will learn. We will use area between the curves. To find the area between the curves, we use upper curve